Today we are going to know about the India and its location. Before that, we have to observe this world map. What you observed in this world map? We can see the continents, and this is the map of world. This map always the north, it is upper part of the map is indicates north, and the downer part is indicates south only, and always that eastern, and this is the west only. So these are the directions. Now we are going to know about the continents. You might have that how many continents we have. That is the Asia. It is the largest continent, and the second largest continent is Africa, and the third largest continent is North America, and the fourth is South America, fifth largest continent Antarctica, and the sixth one is Europe, and the smallest continent, that is the Australia. And what you observed in this world map, children? So we can observe this is the degrees also here written, and the 0 degree latitude it is written. Already you know that horizontal lines which are situated on the map, that we are calling the latitudes only. So we can see that is the 0 degree latitude we are calling the equator, and the 23.5 north latitude, that we are calling the Tropic of Cancer, and the 23.5 southern latitude it is called the Tropic of Capricorn. So children, you have to observe this. The Tropic of Cancer is passing through the India only. So now you got idea, I think, that is India is situated in the Asia continent, and this is the largest continent in the world. Tropic of Cancer is passing through the India, and the 0 degree latitude is also called the equator. So this is the about the world map, and you got idea the India is situated in the northern hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. India is situated in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So children, now it is India and its location. If you observe this India map, India is how many latitudes and how many longitudes it is situated, how many countries are surrounded this India, and what is the distances from the north to south, east to west. Let us see. Already you got India is situated in the Asia only, and it is situated in the north and the eastern hemisphere, and it is located how many degrees of the latitudes, it is also north side, and how many degrees of the longitude it is situated. Let us see. Now I will show that is 8.4 minutes northern latitudes. Here we can see from here to 37.6 minutes northern latitudes, and India is situated in the eastern longitudes. If you see, that is the 68.7 minutes eastern longitudes and 97.25 eastern longitudes. It is clear? India is located 8.4 to 37.6 northern latitudes and 68.7 minutes to 97.25 eastern longitudes. And what is the distance from the north and the east, and north and the south, and the east and the west? So let us see. North and the south, how many kilometers? The length of the India, it is 3214 kilometers from here to here. Now if you see that from east to west also, how many kilometers it is situated? That is that we can see that is 2930 kilometers. Now it is clear. India is from the north to south 3214 kilometers, and west to east, that is the 2930 kilometers. Now one more point, it is very important. Already you got the idea, Tropic of Cancer is passing through the India. I already shown on the world map. Now we can see how many states it is passing through the India. It is from the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and here Mizoram and the Tripura. These 8 states, the Tropic of Cancer is passing through the 8 states only. So next here we can see Tropic of Cancer 8 states, that is again I am saying Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. And what is the meaning of the IST? Indian Standard Time. So I can show on the map, this is the 82.30 minutes eastern longitudes. It is showing the Indian Standard Time, that we are calling the IST. This is going to know about the India and its neighboring countries. If you see India surrounding countries, that is the Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, China. So now we can see on the map, this is the China and this is the Nepal. Bhutan is situated here, and down of the Bhutan we can see that is the Bangladesh, and it is near to the Bay of Bengal. This border we can see that is the Myanmar, and here this is the Pakistan and this is the Afghanistan, and the southern side we can see that is the Sri Lanka. So these are the Indian neighboring countries. I hope you children, you understood this lesson very well, and thanking you